Welcome back guys to another episode, and today we are trying to get Griezmann. Missions? No, not Griezmann, I want to complete him. Lewandowski. Who's here? 90 packs left. So we are going to today open from 7.6 mil, as you can see up here, to 6 mil. We are going to be opening 75 key packs, so we should get some good looks. Let's go. First pack icon, but I think we're just going to keep icons. All icons we get. 87 Bergkamp. Just going to sell any extras that we don't need. Next one, gold. Gold go away if it's not 90 plus. Whichever if it's not Neuer. So, next pack, Halloween card. I think we're going to get rid of this if it isn't a good one. That's 88 Luce. So we're going to get rid of that. Oh, looking not good. Oh, it's Bale. Oh, this one, I was just saying, it was looking not good, and we're going to get Bale. Get rid of Bale. But we don't really need Mr. Garfield right now, so bye-bye. Oh, our luck is going bad. I don't like this pack luck. My first pack luck was ace. Oh, yes. Spanish, centre back. And it's an icon. 92 Puyol. Or Puyol, I don't have a clue. What a savage card that is. Back to the goals. Getting a lot of borders there. Is that Rodriguez? Yes. Team of the week. Is it a good one? Don't think it is. No. No. So we're getting close to 7 mil, but we're trying to get to 6 mil. We're just gonna star all the icons we get. Oh, here's another Portugal. Cam. Can't guess who it is. Oh, Costa. I think I might as well just keep this one as well then. So, don't forget it's gonna do anything. Next pack. Can we get Maradona? Nah. Who is this? Timothy? Yes. So cool. So, I think this is gonna be the last pack because it's gonna take too long to go to 6 mil. So this is gonna be the last pack, and we end up with an 88 card. So, bye guys.